Here's a 1951 Chevrolet Sedan delivery, street rod, just in it, unique, especially in classics. As you can see, it's been chopped. Particular vehicle is powered by a Chevy small block, 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As you can see, chrome, bright work in the front of this car, nice shape. Black paint has a nice luster to it, good reflection in it. You will, if you look real close, you'll start to notice maybe a few imperfections if you can kind of see that. But overall, nice paint. With black on any car, it's tough to keep it absolutely perfect. But this one does show nice, sounds good. As far as equipment, does have power steering, power brakes. There is a AC set up on it. Compressor, many of the components appear to be there, but the belt is not hooked up, so I don't know if the compressor needs a little TLC or not, but just want to make you aware of that. And I'll show you that when we pop the hood and check out the engine bay. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can look at it, check it over, take your time looking through the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and the listing. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726, the number we can be reached at. You can see it's right on the chrome wheels. Chrome wheel covers. Interior is a split, I should say, bench seat with split folding rear. And then dash, you can see where you get a couple aftermarket gauges underneath, AC controllers, but yeah, cloth interior. The rear is finished in kind of wood. It does have a battery relocated to the rear, and there is a compartment just behind the passenger seat where that is. There is also a CD changer that has been relocated behind the driver's seat. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email. Go ahead and pop this rear open for you. Finished off nicely back here. Stereo system, speakers in the rear. Any car shows want to open it up. There's a changer's at. Yeah, all finished off nice as far as headliner, cloth, all that back here. Got a black on black pinstriping also. Goes around the rear of this. Now remember, it's still pictures, so if you want to check out the underside of this, the pans, everything like that, there's some real good shots of the underside of this car. Again, unique. ClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Once again, the number 507-386-1726. See, the rear bumper also appears to have been re-chromed. In nice shape. That 350 small block underneath the hood that does have HEI ignition, headers, Holly carb. There's a aluminum radiator. I believe it was a Griffin, aluminum radiator underneath there. But yeah, you can see the reflection in the black. Does have a nice shine to it. Kind of got that drag car setup, if you notice, with the rear wheels, a little thicker rear wheels on it, a little wider. And you'll be able to see those in the pictures too. But kind of that drag car look. Once upon a time, did have a blower engine in it. That's why the hood was left like that, in case the next owner wants to do a blower look to it or fill that in. Maybe put like a clear across it so you could see into the engine bay and what was underneath there. Door mounted speakers up front here. And there is a remote. Must run the changer in the rear. I haven't played around with the stereo a whole lot, but here is a remote for disc. And again, tachometer, boost gauge. Let's go ahead and fire this up. The wipers do work. It does not have wiper arms on it now, but it has electric wipers on it. They do work. Here's your controls for the AC, but like I said, the belt was not hooked up to the compressor. And oil and water temp gauge. As far as starting, turn the key. Fuel pump comes on. there is a push button on this side.